for 4. This one's pretty easy. So here's what it's asking you to do. So it gives you these 2 formulas, and to just print an output file of all like the data points for every like second between 2 values. So you start off by opening the output file and just making sure it can run, it opens correctly. And so you enter 2 times. You enter the first time, and you enter the second time, which is the time you want it to end. And so it stores those values. So it starts at time 1, and then it goes until it's less than or equal to time 2. So because you want it to include every t value you enter, including the second time. And so it runs through it I times. So this is the formula. So I didn't know how to use the POW because I've never learned it. So I just wrote the i's 4 times because it's g to the 4th. So
you want to know?
What?
You want to know?
Nah, it's too much. It's once after the exam, I'll figure it out. So I just did it. I did it this way, and so actually this should be 12i. That should be cubed. So it should be 3 i's, and then so you do that. You replace the t's for i's. That's what I did, and so then it goes for each time you enter, and I can actually just run it. So for each time you print the altitude for time, then the velocity for the time. So if you run it, if you want all the values between, let's go 2 and 10, it then should. You guys see my my file? Okay.
No, it's just like a blue screen.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, that's because I only shared this one. Well, just how do I fix that? Sorry. Okay. Well, it shows it goes for every second. So for every I, it runs through every value. So it prints out a table. Sorry, I'll try to get it. I think I have to stop sharing to do it. Oh wait, no, here. All right. Do you see this?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so here's what it looks like. So altitude for the time, it goes from 2 to 10. It prints, so this is the altitude, and this is the velocity. Okay. All right, so that's that one.
So wait, for 4, right? It wasn't reading a file, right? It was just going to write everything for the for loop for the output.
You don't. It's not from an input file. You print to an output file. You don't get it from an input file. So you enter 2 values in the keyboard. You enter 2 times, and so it's like the difference of those times and stuff.
All right.
All right.